Operating system is a system software which act as a interface between a user of the computer and the computer hardware. It provides platforms to run application softwares. So the main purpose of the system software is to provide a environment in which the user can execute programs. So basically it provides a computer system convenient to use and to make the use of computer hardware in efficient way. Okay. It may be viewed as a collection of software consisting of procedures for operating the computer and providing an environment for execution of a program. So some of the basic responsibilities of the operating systems are to perform some basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices. It ensured that different programs and users running at the same time do not interfere with each other. Provide a software platform on top of which other programs can run, means it acts as a platform to other programs, or it provides services to run other application programs. So what are the main functions of operating system? So one is memory management function, second is processor management function, device management function, information management function. So in memory management function, to execute a program, for that we have map to absolute address and load it into main memory. As the program executes, it accesses instructions and data from the memory by generating these absolute addresses. In multi-programming environment, multi-programs are maintained in memory simultaneously. Yeah. So what are the main functions of management? Memory management is keep track of which segment of memory is in use and by whom. Who is using the segment of a memory, and deciding which process are to be loaded into memory when space becomes available. Allocation or deallocation the contents of the memory when the process requests for it, otherwise reclaim the memory when the process doesn't require it or it has been terminated. Means it allocate or deallocate the resources or the memory so that we can perform other tasks. Now process management function or processor management function. Process is an instance of program in execution, while a program is just a passive entity. Process is an active entity performing the intended function to its related program. Now, to accomplish its task, a process needs certain resources. For example, CPU, memory, files, and input devices. Okay. So there will be a number of simultaneous processes existing in the system. Now, it is the responsibility of operating system to manage the processes. For example, to provide a mechanism for process synchronization, keep tracks of processor and status of processes, like the processing in which state, like in ready state, in execution state, or in a exit state, or in a abort state, or in a termination state. And it will decide which process will have a chance to use the processor. Okay. So for this, the job scheduler chooses from all the submitted jobs and decide which one will be allowed into the system. In multi-programming, decide which processes get the processor when, for how much of time, and this is called process scheduler. It also allocate processor to a process by setting up the necessary hardwares, provide mechanism for deadlock handling,